before you start this repair, you're going to want to keep in mind, anytime you replace any kind of steering or suspension components, you're going to want to go to a local shop and have your vehicle aligned to prevent premature tire wear. Take a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off, and remove the tire. Take a 22mm wrench, loosen up this jam nut. Now I don't have to loosen it a lot, just loosen it so it's free. Now I just want to take the cotter pin off the outer tie rod end. Just take some straight cutters or some diagonal cutters. Bend it back in position and then try to grab it right here. They do make special picks for this. You could use a special pick to get this off. Try not to cut it, but if you cut it by accident, that's okay. In the event that you do cut it, try to cut it pretty short or try to grab it some more. Maybe you can pull it out. There we go. It's starting to come out. Just like that. Throw that away. I'm just going to take a 17mm socket, loosen up this nut. Take that off. And if you're going to reuse the outer tie rod end, you might want to use a special tool, like a front end tool kit that you can grab right here and then press down on the tie rod end. We're going to replace ours, so I'm just going to use a hammer and hammer it down. You wouldn't want to do this if you're going to reuse it because you don't want to mushroom the end of it. You could always put the nut on the end, and that would prevent it from happening as well. And then when I remove the outer tie rod end, I'm going to count how many times I turn it. So 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15. So 15 turns. So I'm going to install the new one, 15 turns the same way. All right, I just take a marker or a crayon and just write 15 right there, just so I remember how many turns. And I do that on either side if I'm doing the other side as well. Now take the outer tie rod end. You can take this nut off. I'll slide that on after. And just line this up with the outer tie rod end. You might have to move it a little bit. And once you get it started, count the threads. 1, 2, 14, and 15. All right, now take the outer tie rod end. You want to line it up with the knuckle. And press it up, and take the nut and put that on. And take a 19mm socket, tighten it up. Now if the stud starts spinning, which it is, what you can do is take a pry bar, get underneath the outer tie rod end, and you're gonna put some pressure on it and tighten it up that way. That should stop it from spinning. Sometimes it helps if you have a helper holding the pry bar while you tighten it. Like that. Then take a 19mm socket and we're going to torque this to 36 foot-pounds. Now we can take a 15/16 wrench or a 24mm wrench, tighten up this jam nut. If you had the ability to torque this, you're going to want to torque that to 65 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to take a 21mm socket and a torque wrench. I'm going to tighten these lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds in a star pattern. That way the wheel gets tightened down evenly. I can go around again, just double check.